Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with a safe copy. Duplicate the background layer so you can always revert. Next, choose Image Adjustments Brightness/Contrast or create an adjustment layer. I recommend Adjustment Layer for non-destructive edits. Make sure layer thumbnails are visible and you have the Properties panel open. Once done, set the blend mode to normal and keep opacity at 100% for now. This establishes a controlled environment, so your brightness edits affect only what you intend. Not now refine brightness with levels or curves because they let you target shadows, midtones, and highlights. In levels, drag the middle slider for midtones, move black and white sliders to set true blacks and whites. In curves, lift or lower the midpoint to brighten or darken. Create anchor points to protect highlights. Make small increments and toggle the adjustment layer on and off to compare. Also consider using a mask to limit brightening to specific areas rather than the whole image. Finish by blending adjustments naturally. Lower the adjustment layer opacity if the effect feels strong, or use Blend If to preserve highlight or shadow detail. Use a soft brush on the layer mask to paint adjustments into exactly the areas that need brightness changes. For export, flatten a copy or save as PSD to keep edits. If you see clipped highlights or crushed shadows, immediately reduce the adjustment or switch to curve/levels and make subtler moves. That avoids banding and keeps detail intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.